Welcome to all of you. It's October 2017. This means we are launching what so many developers of industrial equipment have been waiting for. The RZIG Linux platform, which revolutionizes the way industrial equipment is designed and maintained. My name is Stefan Rank, and I will now guide you through the main components of this new and innovative solution. With RZIG Linux platform, we solve a plethora of challenges that designers of industrial equipment in general and industrial HMIs in particular are confronted with. These challenges broadly fall into three categories, which are technical barriers to entry, total cost of ownership, and time to market pressure, in light of a highly competitive and fast-paced environment. Our answer to these challenges is the combination of the new Verified Linux package, or VLP, a set of cloud development tools, and the Linux platform marketplace. The VLP, or Verified Linux package, incorporates several software components, including the CIP Linux kernel, a board support package, multimedia functionality, graphical user interface framework, and security. Renesas manages maintenance and version management of the Linux distribution, significantly reducing the cost and user efforts of implementing long-term Linux solutions for industrial applications. RZIG Linux platform provides a cloud development environment within Renesas iSquare Studio integrated software development tool. This gives embedded developers the option to write and compile their code on cloud service, where the Linux distribution and BSPs are actively maintained. Renesas Marketplace connects product developers and software partners with world-class silicon and software infrastructure, providing access to software and hardware solutions verified for the Renesas RZIG Linux platform. Users can buy and download security tools, embedded vision libraries, and more. In addition to the three software-centric components within the scope of the RZIG Linux platform, Renesas also offers a family of scalable, high-end industrial MPUs or microprocessors, as well as a set of certified production-ready boards and fully integrated evaluation platforms. With the VLP, application development can start on a very high-level application programming interface for quick generation of differentiated value. Verified APIs are also on BSP and GStreamer level, and very importantly, software is now part of the product, which means you get full documentation and support. Renesas has joined a CIP project within the Linux Foundation with the goal to establish an open source-based layer of industrial-grade software to be used for civil infrastructure systems. And Renesas next to Siemens, Hitachi, and Toshiba is a platinum member in the CIP project, driving innovation for industrial MPUs. CIP Linux is optimized in four important dimensions: super long-term support, real-time performance, security, and functional safety. With CIP Verified Linux package, you're ready for the cyberspace. So when you connect factory equipment to Go 4.0, you want to be not only safe but also secure. By connecting industrial control systems to internal and external networks, the number of new threat vectors is growing. With cyber attacks on the rise, it's important to use the right tools to protect your connected industrial assets and industrial control systems. The goal is to protect your critical infrastructure by defending processes, communications, and assets, and in particular to reduce risk of unplanned downtime, improve asset protection from cyber damage, and avoid damage to reputation and intellectual property, and improve confidence to connect and manage your assets. Super long-term support up to 20 years also is a very strong value generator in the industrial segment, where equipment lifetimes can be in the range of decades. So CIP clearly takes long-term support to the next level. CIP also has become a gold member of the Real-Time Linux project, hosted at the Linux Foundation, to optimize RT performance from within the Linux Foundation. And depending on your design goals, you can choose from 3 main workflows that can also be combined. Workflow A allows a quick and easy start with the help of a cloud-enabled IDE. The VLP is maintained in the cloud and accessed via a PC-side eSquare Studio design tool. According to a survey performed by Renesas, the upfront Linux build environment construction can take up to a week, and the Yocto build itself up to a day. So if you want to implement a concept fast, the cloud-enabled IDE with VLP provides you with a ready Linux BSP, and you can download an image within a few minutes. Workflow B is a localized version of Workflow A, and Workflow C is a regular Yocto build on a local Linux machine based on the VLP and with own Yocto recipes. Working in the cloud, you can always check your code with the continuously maintained verification tool. The verification tool provides a test report which is fed into the analysis tool. The analysis tool houses a living recommendation database with validated correction measures. When you are ready, you can download the image to the target. With verified software add-ons available in the marketplace, you will accelerate new product development and innovation, quickly and easily add new applications to the systems such as recognition and quick boot, avoid multiple challenges related to porting, integrating, and testing and verification, and benefit from a growing partner network. Bring the two pieces together and you will have a fully maintained and instantly ready Linux development environment that reduces design iterations, optimizes quality and size of code, as well as application innovation and differentiation. And this is of course what you get with RZIG Linux platform. So get connected now in the RZIG Linux platform marketplace, where you will find documentation, software, hardware, support, and a platform where you can not only buy but also sell innovation. And don't forget, hardware is only the beginning.